Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Umkhonto Wakangubane. Past weekend, South African voters across the world cast their votes. London having a massive turnout with more than 20,000 registered voters took 2 days.
Yamnandi into ye-ANC iqala yaphela kakubi eKomani. Amalungu e-ANC abetha abahlali ngeplate nangedrink yonke into ibhabhe emoyeni bethuna nazandayibona into enje but qhubekani nivote. Andithi kutheni ayikho personally but i-ANC ayibaxabisanga abantu bayo. I-ANC ayibaxabisanga.
Mina nje personally, I don't feel sorry for people in Eastern Cape. Bagithi, they deserve everything coming to them because they love amasela kathamba. Hayibo labantu bayithanda i-ANC. Bayithanda i-ANC. Next, we will see them on the next episode of Cutting Edge. Bewela imfula with coffins. Oh yes, we will see them. These two men are wanted after they shot dead a Sasko driver and 2 other workers who were delivering bread in Delft, Cape Town. Unfortunately, I can't share the video here, but it is the most brutal thing ever. This guy is stealing these VW lights. So you tell me, these lights cost more than 70,000 Rand for both. These lights are extremely expensive. So VW has also issued their statement and it reads as follows. I quote, "We understand your concern. We take the safety of our vehicles very seriously. However, we do not believe that VW is any more predisposed to this issue than other vehicle brands. We've always done so, and we continue to work with authorities in the fight against crime."